Now comes the practical question that every new investor asks. Where do I actually buy stocks? So it might sound obvious, but you can't simply stroll down to Wall Street, push open the doors of the New York Stock Exchange, and say, I'd like 10 shares of Apple, please. Instead, you buy stock through a brokerage account, which is pretty much a middleman that connects you to the stock exchange. Think of it like buying tickets to a big concert. You can't just walk backstage and pay the band directly. You go through a service like Ticketmaster, which handles the transaction and makes sure you actually get a seat. Similarly, you don't buy shares from the New York Stock Exchange itself. You use a brokerage platform, which acts as your personal Ticketmaster for stocks. Today, there are many options, each with different features and styles. Traditional brokerages, companies like TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity have been around for decades. They offer robust research tools, customer support, and a wide range of investment products. Online and app-based platforms. Newer services like Robinhood, Webull, or SoFi Invest make it simple to buy and sell directly from your smartphone. They're popular for their user-friendly design and offer commission-free trades. No matter which you choose, the idea is the same. These platforms give you direct access to the stock exchanges, so you can place an order from the comfort of your home, or even from your phone while you're out and about. To get started, you typically need to create an account with a brokerage, provide some personal and financial information, just like opening a bank account, and transfer money from your bank into the brokerage account. Once funded, you're ready to place your first trade. When you decide to buy a stock, you place an order through your brokerage. A market order buys or sells immediately at the best available price, and a limit order lets you specify the price you're willing to pay or receive. Your brokerage then routes your order to the stock exchange, where it's matched with someone who wants to sell or buy. The entire process usually just takes seconds. Brokerage platforms are what make the stock market accessible to everyday people. Without them, you'd have to negotiate directly with other investors or with the companies themselves, a slow and very complicated process. Thanks to these platforms, anyone with a bank account and internet connection can participate in the market. They are the bridge that turns the idea of owning a piece into a company into a reality. So remember, you don't buy stock from the stock exchange. You buy it through a brokerage platform, the same way you buy concert tickets through Ticketmaster. In our next section, we'll talk about how much people typically invest and how you can decide what's right for you.